So this feature is about automation. Last year, if you remember, I was taking my gloves off, lots of sausage fingers, drawing lots of things on the map. Today it's different, I'm not taking my gloves off. We are automating the mapping of a simplex VHF network. So up here you would use a repeater because it's very challenging mountains. And if you try to do a simplex VHF network, it's hard. It's very hard to communicate using the co-opt feature. We've got some COT on the map here, some other VHF radios in the area, and we're live mapping the coverage of the entire network, links and coverage without touching the map. So I can just whip this out at any moment, have a look at opportunities or problems, and also add a radio to the map if I need to try and fix it. Okay, this is the kit that we're using. It's the Carnegie Robotics Card Shark. It's the Jetson 16 gigabytes. It's a weatherproof computer that we've popped in a little waterproof bag just to keep the cables nice and tidy, because despite it being a very good computer, the cables, as we found, are the weak link. But putting it in a bag keeps it nice and tidy up here. The battery is tucked up in bed between my sweaty back and a quilted jacket, because you've got to keep batteries warm to get the best out of them. And the battery is just a flight safe power bank. So we're running off a USB-C connector here, so we can swap that out. We've got another battery in there, and what we're going to do is run that battery into the ground, see how long it lasts with this continuous GPU modeling, and we're logging all the data. And when it dies, we're going to do a battery swap, put on the next battery, take it up a gear and go even faster with a faster refresh rate to see what the art of the possible is. How long can you get with consumer batteries and consumer standards? Okay, that's us 2 hours in now at the trig point, believe it or not. And here we are, co-op features still going. Battery on the phone is in the high 80s. If you tried to do this modeling on the phone, that would not be the case, I can tell you. And we're still running nicely. So we've identified an issue with terrain data. When we're calculating altitude, when we're high up in the mountains, we offset it. We offset the GPS altitude against the ATAK terrain data altitude, which is different to the SOOTHSAYER terrain data altitude. If we're using consistent data, then we'll have a consistent output. So there's one lesson identified there, but so far this is going well. And you can see the GPU load, CPU load sitting at about 25%, no, under 20%. Power usage is above 7 watts.